KMES English Medium Junior College welcome its students for 11th online lecture of psychology for chapter 3rd, personality. For the topic Introduction to Personality, definition of personality and factors shaping personality. In this chapter, we will study following subtopics: 3.1 Introduction, 3.2 Definitions of Personality, 3.3 Factor Shaping Personality, 3.4 Perspectives on Studying Personality, 3.5 Measurement of Personality. So, let's begin with the introduction of personality. 3.1 Introduction to Personality. 1. Meaning of personality. The combination of characteristics or qualities that form an individual's distinctive characteristics is called personality. Second, nature of personality. Personality is relatively stable but dynamic in nature. It is consistent. It is unique. Personality reflects individual differences. Third, general belief about personality. People believe that an individual with attractive look has a good personality. Fourth, personality according to psychology. In psychology, the term personality has a much broader meaning. From the psychologist's point of view, personality is not related to an individual's external physical appearance, but it is related with an individual's characteristic pattern of thinking, feeling and belief throughout his life. So now let's look at the definition of personality. 3.2 Definitions of personality. The word personality is derived from Latin word persona, which means mask. Mask is a cover worn on face by the Greek stage actors in olden days, as per the need of the character they used to enact in the play. So, the meaning of the word personality is to give the projected behavior. Many psychologists have given different definitions of personality as per their own perspective. Let's have a view on those definitions. Definition of personality. According to Norman. According to Norman, personality is a unique combination of individual physical structure, need, interest, abilities and aptitude. So, personality is combination of physical structure, need, interest, ability and aptitude of an individual. Definition of personality according to Jordan Alport. Alport defines personality as personality is a dynamic organization within the individual of those psychophysical system that determines his unique adjustment to the environment. So, it is individual adjustment to the environment. Coming to the third topic of the chapter, personality. 3.3 Factors Shaping Personality. Following are the characters that shape personality. There are biological factors, there are social factors, and there are environmental factors which shape our personality. Let's have a look on some of the factors that shape our personality. 1. Heredity. 2. Endocrine glands. 3. Family. 4. Peer group. 5. School. 6. Mass media. 7. Culture. Let's look at each of these factors in detail. Individual personality gets shaped by a wide variety of factors, which often act in conjunction. Some of the factors shaping personality of an individual is heredity. Heredity implies those characteristics that individual inherit from his parents. It means those characteristics or those qualities which the individual gets from their parents. Heredity affects the physical and mental development. For example, the height, physical structure, color of the eyes, etc. Heredity may also influence self-concept, which in turn may influence the personality development of an individual. Another factor shaping personality of an individual is endocrine glands. 1. Endocrine glands are the pituitary gland, thyroid gland, pancreas gland, adrenal gland, bones gland, etc. These glands play an important role in shaping personality of an individual. 2. Over-excretion or under-excretion of hormones produced by various glands may adversely affect the personality of an individual. 3. For example, an over-excretion of the thyroxine hormone produced by thyroid gland may lead to nervousness, tension, irritability, restlessness, and emotional instability, etc., which may adversely affect the personality of an individual. The third factor shaping personality of an individual is family. Family is one of the most important factors influencing personality of an individual. The elements related to family which shape the personality of an individual are 1. Structure of family. 2. Socio-economic status of family. 3. Emotional, academic and cultural environment of family. 4. Child rearing practice followed by parents, and interaction between the family members are some of the important and significant factors that affect the personality of an individual. Let's have an example to see how family shapes the personality of an individual. In a family having warm, emotional atmosphere, parents have healthier relationships with their children. Love and respect shown by the parents towards their children boost the self-confidence and self-esteem of the children. These in turn positively affect the personality of children. On the other hand, overprotection, rejection, negligence, etc. shown by parents towards their children lead to low self-esteem and low self-confidence among children, which has adverse effect on the personality of children. Another factor that shapes one's personality is peer group. Peer groups are unwelcome aspects of our social life. Peers surround us in our everyday life, from early childhood until old age. So, peer groups are members of same classroom, workplace or sports club, etc. The peer group may influence our personality in a positive as well as negative manner. Let's have an example of the influence of peers on individual life. For example, good habits such as studying regularly, developing healthy attitude towards one's own gender and opposite gender, etc. may be developed by being in a good company or friends. Similarly, the unhealthy habits such as bunking lectures, developing various addictions, showing aggressive tendencies, and bullying, etc. may be developed by being in a bad company or friends. It has a negative effect. There are many other things that is influenced by the life, by the peer groups, like hairstyles, dressing style, eating habits, studying habits, communication skills, attitude, decision making. Even the likes and dislikes are all influenced by peer groups. The next factor that shapes the personality of an individual is school. The school plays an important role in the personality development of students. The elements related to school which develop or shape the personality of an individual are teaching learning process, academic activity and co-curricular facilities provided by the school, teacher rapport with students, school discipline and policy, etc. All these factors have a significant impact on the personality of students. Let's have an example how school shapes the personality. A creative, well-qualified, experienced and well-mannered teacher acts as a role model for his or her students. Such teachers provide maximum opportunity for the optimum development of the potential of their children. This in turn helps students to develop their personality in a healthier manner. Another factor that shapes the personality of an individual is mass media. Internet and other forms of mass media are now deeply integrated in almost everyone's daily life. Mass media? What is mass media? Mass media is a source of entertainment, informal education, socialization, etc. Nowadays, majorities of adolescents spend more and more time in front of television, mobile and computer, which may affect their personality. Let's have a look how personality influences individuals. Mass media may help an individual to have an updated knowledge of current affairs, etc., which in turn positively affect the development of an individual's personality. On the other hand, excessive addiction of using mass media may cause disconnection from the world, egocentric, self-deprivation, poor academic performance, insecurity, antisocial behavior, loneliness, etc., which in turn adversely affect the development of an individual. So, mass media also influence personality in a positive as well as negative manner. Another factor that influences the personality of an individual is culture. Cultural factors also play important role in shaping the personality of an individual. As every culture has its own sets of values, beliefs, norms, etc. These sets of values influence the thoughts, feelings, and behavior pattern of an individual, which shape the personality of an individual. For example, leadership qualities, listening skill, tendency to cooperate with others, etc. may differ from culture to culture, and therefore the people from different cultural backgrounds may have different personalities. So, all this way, our personality is being shaped. These all factors play important role in our life for shaping our personality. So, in today's lecture, we have looked about the definition, meaning, nature, and the factors shaping our personality. In the next lecture, we will be looking forward for perspectives on studying personality.